Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger and battery to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of your device. The battery comes partially charged. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. To charge the device, make sure the charger is plugged into an outlet and then place the watch into the charging dock. The magnets will help secure it in place. Conserve battery life. To enable power-saving mode from the Galaxy Watch, from the clock screen, press the Home button. Navigate to and select Settings. Scroll to and select Battery. Select Power Mode. Scroll to and select the desired power-saving mode. Power saving or watch only. Select the checkmark icon. To access more display options, from the Settings screen, scroll to and select Display. To disable Auto Brightness, scroll to and select Auto Low Brightness. Select the Auto Low Brightness switch. To reduce screen brightness, from the display screen, select Brightness. Scroll to the desired screen brightness. To set a shorter screen timeout, from the display screen, scroll to and select Screen Timeout. Scroll to and select the desired option. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the Settings screen, scroll to and select Connections. If enabled, disable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, location, and NFC services. Scroll to and select the desired option to access its settings. If you are traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Swipe down from the top of the screen, then swipe left and select the airplane mode icon.